With the Groundplan integration in Fergus, you can import takeoffs directly into your quotes, saving time and eliminating manual data entry. In this video, we'll show you how to set up the integration and how to use it to streamline your quoting process. First, we'll need to set up the integration. Head to the Groundplan website and sign in using your credentials. In the top right corner, click My Account, then choose Setup from the drop-down. On the left-hand menu, select Integrations, then click Configure next to Fergus. You'll be prompted to log into Fergus. Enter your Fergus credentials to continue. Note, if you have two-factor authentication enabled via app in Fergus, you'll need to enter your code from the Authenticator app before completing setup. Once logged in, the connection between Groundplan and Fergus will be established. Now that you're connected, let's walk through how to push a Groundplan project into Fergus. Before anything can be imported, you'll need a quote job card in Fergus. This is where your Groundplan project will be sent. For help creating a quoted job, check out our help article. Next, set up your project in Groundplan. Need help creating a project? Refer to Groundplan's help article. At this stage, you can start adding items from your Fergus favorites to your plans. To do this, you'll first need to create a section in your Fergus favorites. Each section must only contain one line item. So, if you're adding multiple items, you'll need to create a separate section for each one. To add a Fergus favorite item to your project, upload your plan file in the Plans tab and select the plan. Click the plus count button, choose Fergus favorite, search for your item, and click Create to add it to your project. From here, continue with your project as per normal. If the favourite you've selected has more than one line item in it, you'll only see the first line item in Groundplan. However, be aware that when this gets pushed to your Fergus quote, all line items from that favourite will be displayed. Once your Groundplan project is complete, it's time to push it into Fergus. At the top of your project, click on the Fergus tab next to Quantities. Click the green Push to Quote button. Enter the relevant Fergus job number to link the project. Don't forget to add the quote title and update the description if needed. And finally, click Submit to push the project to Fergus. Once everything's been imported, publish your quote and send it to your customer, just like you normally would. And that's it! Setting up your Groundplan integration in Fergus means your quoting will be faster, easier, and more accurate.